Hello everyone, uh, welcome to my week 6 final project part 2. This the last two collections with Crud operations OAuth testing. So all of it requires OAuth to be deployed, endpoints working, data validation, OAuth test, and then my contribution. So the first thing, my work is being hosted on Render. Okay. So now I just copy this render link, and I'm not going to use this browser because I'm already logged into GitHub as well. I don't have any GitHub keys being exposed, but I just need to use this because it's not logged in. So when I just click login, I should be able to it should be able to take me to GitHub to authenticate my account so that we can access the API docs. So I can just use my mail. Okay, a moment. So we should be able to sign in right now. So let me authenticate with my phone. 1 minute. So this should be 95. Yeah. So that should take us to our homepage. So our homepage, I really had to add a request in my index.js and the route index.js where I said in case I'm logged in should display the name or the username of the person. So that's why you're able to see my name here logged in as Kenya Alvin. So when I stop that, I'm going to API docs. So apparently, I don't have two collections. I have four collections. So I had Baba's section, products, appointments, and reviews plus contacts. I think contacts was in week 2 assignment, week 3, around there. So I created more collections a bit. So when we start with the Baba's collection, we do a try, a get request. We should be able to get the data. Marquee data is already in the MongoDB campus. So these are appointments, Baba's, contacts, and products. So when we try to maybe, so the get works. Then when we try to get by ID, we're able to get only this person. Then when we try to post, let's give it a try. On the posts, when we try to post, okay, so we can just exclude this. So now we delete that a bit and then delete that a bit. So when we execute, we're supposed to get a true, which means that person was inserted. And then when we try to get that new insertion that we just made, get by ID, we should be able to have that person reflect. Because remember we had earlier we deleted that Jonan's thingy. Yeah. So and then what else? When we try to put, let's try put request. Can just copy this very person. Then we do a put request. We do a put. So we can just copy the ID, exclude it off here. So I can make maybe this Alvin. So we try and put that into the DB. Okay, we get a 204, but still the credentials allow us uh, to do a put request. Okay, so that is for the Babas. Then when we do for the products, we try for the products. We're able to get some of the items that we have in the shop. And then we try to also post the products. Okay, we try posting. But remember, we're told also to do a try and catch. So let's say I exclude the name and the category up to there. Then we try to post. Okay, we should get a warning that's a 400 code, which means it has caught our error. We have a bit of an error there. We're missing some fields, so the the API does not allow us to post into the database when we have fields missing. Okay, So we'll also try to post by ID. How can I get an ID? Okay, here let's try to put by ID, and then maybe I put a wrong ID. Okay, so it also give us a 400. Okay, error because cannot determine which other ID was there. Yeah. So what else? So we see. Okay. 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 Alright. So my GitHub does have the JSON files. We have the reviews.json, products.json. So I should have these files, and these files I use seed, okay, seed.js to put them into the MongoDB. So this code automatically inserts the data into my MongoDB database. Okay. So my individual contribution, the first thing that I did was when we log in into the API, we have it display my name. Okay, so I added that as just partly, and then I also did more collections in the API as well. So this should be able to take us straight in. So I get logged in as Kenyara Alvin, and then when you go to API docs, I do have most of the collections there. Yeah, so I believe that is all I have. Thank you.